most of a startup is like before you have product market fit, you feel like you're rolling the boulder uphill. You're begging people to use your product. You're like, begging people to try it and give it a chance. And eventually, if you discover something that's really useful and differentiated, then people start to come to you, and you feel like you can't make it fast enough. You can't keep the servers up, whatever that is for you. Like you feel like you're rolling the boulder downhill. You're just running after it, and I think that's the difference. And you can. I think it's really easy in Silicon Valley to cargo cult all the things that successful founders do that aren't working on your product. Like, oh, I need to hire like executives or raise a lot of money. But those things are irrelevant. They're downstream from having a product that everybody wants, right? And they're pretty much irrelevant and actually detrimental to you discovering a product, something that works, that has product market fit. Oftentimes, if you, and, but it's easy to get distracted by them, and I have in my career. So that was one, probably the most important lesson.